Good evening, friends. I hope you and your family are safe and well. Last lectures we have discussed the introduction part of the GST. Under that, we have discussed about the under direct indirect taxes. What kinds of study we have to do. In that, we will study the one of the important giant act, that is a Goods and Service Tax Act. And Goods and Service Tax Act, it is applicable whole of India. It is implemented from 1st April 1st July 2017 onwards, and in our country there are total 28 states and 8 union territories. This such tax is applicable. GST is a tax on goods and tax on services, or we can say both. For that purpose, government, central government has appointed GST Council. They looking of the all matters related to the GST. They do the framework of the GST. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind: GST is a tax on goods. It is a tax on services, or it is a tax on goods and services. Now we will talk about those goods and those services which are not taxable. We will talk about the goods or services GST is not applicable. It means we will talk today exempt tax goods or exempt services. Such things we will study right now. So let us discuss exempt granted and exempt goods and exempt services. Now friends, power to grant exemption. An exemption may be conditional. Sometimes it is absolute also. When the exemption has been granted absolutely, that is, it is a subject to and conditions or the happening of any event, such exemption is a mandatory. Mandatory means compulsory. The government may be subject to the following conditions: grant exemption from the payment of the IGST or interstate supply. Exemption should be in public interest or a recommendation of the GST Council by way of notification. Now, current exemption list we will discuss today. Schedule of the goods exempt under notification 2/2017. Now friends, goods which are exempted, for example milk, bread, then vegetables, fruit grains, these are all the rice, wheat, spices, tea, coffee, sugar, then newsprint, coal, Indian sweets, silk, jute fibers, these are all are exempted. Exempted means non-taxable. It is a unbranded food grains. It is called as a unbranded food grains are non-taxable. It is exempted. Then friends, fresh vegetables also exempted. Friends, whenever we will talk about this particular lecture, you should write in your notebook, otherwise it is very difficult to understand. Whenever I will talk, it is exempted, you should put in this particular in our notebook exempt goods under GST. Write number 1, number 2, on that basis you should write. Then friends, it is a unbranded atta. It is also exempted. It is goods but it is not taxable. Then friends, it is a unbranded maida. unbranded maida, GST is not attracted. You know about it is a unbranded gram flours. We can say that it is a basin also non-taxable. Jaggery, good. Jaggery is also exempt. Milk and eggs, it is also exempted, non-taxable. Then it is a puff rice. Puff rice is totally exempted from tax. Coconut fish fresh unbranded tender coconut water also non-taxable. It is exempt under GST. Then friends, coffee beans are not roasted. These coffee beans are exempt from tax. It is the unprocessed green leaves of tea. Unprocessed green leaves of tea also non-taxable. Ginger, turmeric, it is also non-taxable. Then it is a unbranded barley, oats, maize. These are all grains are non-taxable under GST. Then friends, curd and lassi. Curd and lassi also non-taxable. Unbranded paneer and natural honey also non-taxable. It is totally exempted. It is a core fiber also exempt from GST. Salt is exempted from GST. It is your useful product, lijjat papad, then braid, thread, and you're using kajal also exempt from GST. It is a groundnuts. Groundnuts are exempt under GST. These your animals, asses, moles, hinces. These are the mammals are exempt from GST. Live mammals, birds, insects are also exempt from GST. Then these animals ovine, then sheep, goats, these are the all animals also exempt. Live poultry also exempt under GST. No need to pay the GST. Your favorite product, that is fish, seeds, prawns, shrimps, seeds also exempt. Then dates, figs, dots also exempt. It is a Brazil nuts. These are the dry fruits are called as a Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts also exempted. It is a hearing aids. It is totally exempted. Handmade musical instruments also exempt from taxes. Panchagavya, it is a puja samagri. In that it includes rudraksha mala, tulsi kanti mala, panchagavya means the mixture of the cow milk, cow ghee, cow dung, cow urine and curd. This mixture is called as a panchagavya. It is also exempt from GST. Passengers baggage also exempt from GST. Mudhas made, shakarkand also exempt. It means basically slates, chalks, pencils also exempt. Slates, pencil, chalk, sticks also exempt. Spacecraft and suborbit. This particular, it is called as a suborbit. It is called as a sub spacecraft. It is also exempt from GST. Atlas launch also exempt from GST. It is called as a Ambar Charkha. Ambar Charkha is exempt from GST. Your favorite glass bangles also non-taxable, exempt from GST. It is a handloom weaving machine, also exempt from GST. It is a earthen pot or clay lamp. Earthen pot or clay lamp also exempt from GST. Your favorite human hair dress, thin bleach work also exempt from GST. Indian national flag exempt from GST. Gandhi topi also exempt from GST. Newspapers, journals, periodicals also exempt from GST. Then checks loose or in book form also exempt from GST. Map, hydrographic chart also exempt from GST. Then it is favorite for your eating purpose. Wood charcoal also exempt from GST. Firewood also exempt from GST. Then friends, we will talk about the some services. Now this previous slides we have discussed up to the goods. Now we will talk about up to the 41. We studied about those goods which are exempt from taxes. Now we will move further those services which are exempted. For example, trade union. The trade union doing their business, not a business, it is activities, whatever activities they are doing, it is totally exempted. Then after that, United Nations is a service provider, provide the services to the international organization. For example, World Health Organization, UNESCO, IMF, ICAO. Then such service is exempted. Employee State Insurance Corporation provide service to the person governed under the Employees Insurance Act, so it is also exempted. General insurance business provide service to the under following scheme. For example, Heart Insurance Scheme, Cattle Insurance Scheme, Swern Jayanti Gram Swayam Rozgar Yojana, Scheme of Insurance of Tribal, Janta Personal Accident Policies, then Group Personal Accident Policies also exempted. Then life insurance company provide the service to the under the following scheme, for example Janashri Bima Yojana, Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana, or life micro insurance product as approved by insurance development or regulatory authority having the maximum amount of covered of rupees 50,000. It is also exempted. Exempted means non taxable. Then friends, legal services. Now this particular fellow is a advocate. He provides service to the other advocate, or it is totally non taxable. If he provide the service